This is our intermediate macroeconomics part 1, which was taught us by Surajit Bhattacharya sir. This is totally a theoretical course. So these are our learning objectives that we will cover. So you can see what is macroeconomics all about. So study of structure and performance of national economies and of policies that government policies makers use to affect the overall economic performance. Economic theory is the theory, macroeconomic theory is the theory of income, employment, prices, and money. Economics in general and macroeconomics in particular are the core of politics. Economics may suggest policies which favor a class at expense of others. It is very much an instrument of class or over the division of the aggregate social production and assets. So, basic economic problems. So, scarcity of economic resources. Professor Paul Samuelson primarily defines three basic problems: that what should we produce, and how should we produce, and for whom we should produce. Let's see the population growth rate. This is I by L equals to N. Let N be greater than 1. This is uh, from the practical life example. This N is actually greater than 1. So we can write I equals to N into L. What is I here? It is the dl by dt, that is equals to L by N, and we will integrate it and we will find that L equals to A into NT. So this is the equation of the population. This whole is the equation of a population. This is a curve, sorry. So how the population changes with time, it will be an exponential path. Let's see, take the example of US. In 1976, the unemployment rate was 7.7% and inflation rate was 5.8%. And election outcome was Carter. In 1980, what happened? The unemployment rate fallen, but the inflation rate got increased, and due to which Reagan will got elected. After the Reagan got elected, there was a slight increase in the unemployment rate, but a huge fall in the inflation rate, due to which he was again re-elected. But after that, the unemployment rate fallen along with the inflation rate. So you can see that with with the fall of unemployment rate, there is an increase in inflation rate, and if inflation rate falls, there is a rise in unemployment rate. This was first stated by A. Phillips. So why does it happen so? This is for India. You can see these are the inflation rates. So as you can see that here are some reasons. Here are the reasons written that world oil prices shock. So due to which the inflation rate goes attains the peak, and as the emergency was applied in India, so you can see that inflation rate gone to fall below -5%, and this was the time of Congress, and this was the time of Janata Dal and all the parties that are given here. So what type of policies they had applied in that time and how the outcomes came. Some macro issues. Why is that Ethiopia, Guatemala, Ghana are still poor and the US, Germany, Japan are rich countries? Why do economic go through the phase of booms and bust? What causes inflation? How is money supply controlled in the economy? What is budget deficit? How a government finances its budget deficits? So these will be our macroeconomic issues, and we will in later this course we will see that why, what was their reasons and how they uh, got resolved, or what further problems came into the existence and all these. So you can see that here is here it is given the pictures of Ethiopian man. So this is a hungry man who has to struggle for food and struggles to feed its fast-growing population of 70 million, 85% of whom are peasants amid recurrent drought and poverty. These two childs, they are orphans and they are drinking the gutter spine. So why is that so that Ethiopia is so poor? Because of its macroeconomic policies. And here again the example of Ethiopia is given, you can read it. And in Times Global, it was also published that 1 in 6 Americans is poor. Why is that? So that the rich-poor gap is and racial inequality is still there. So we will discuss all these things in this course. That how we have to use economic policies and what were different types of schemes that came into existence to overcome the problems and all this.